smell?
That had to be poop.
Yeah, sure it was.
Mama made and he went on the air. You're making a face.
I am?
I thought you were. I'm not sure actually. And he shook it like a Harlem queen. We danced to this one today.
Your leg is all fucked up.
It's because she's always bending her legs.
The thing is, your leg is not completely in the...
I know. She turns it into like a big sack.
Did you turn her into a big sack? You turned her diaper into a big brown sack, didn't you?
Uh-huh. The battery's almost gone.
Yeah, it might be. A little schmutz. A little schmutz.
It's a little milk schmutz.
Got a little milk schmutz. Milk schmutz.
Is it you or her?
Let's say it was her. Oh, sorry.